Hello everyone. Today we will discuss exercise 5.2 question number 1. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 12 to 9, 1 to 10 and 6 to 3. We know that one complete revolution is equal to 360 degree, right? Here you see that if I take one complete revolution, then one complete revolution means 360 degree, right? And how many hours are there in a clock? You see there are 12 hours. That means 12 hour is equal to 360 degree. 12 hours means 360 degree. Therefore, 1 hour is equal to 360 by 12, that is 30 degree. That means 1 hour means 30 degree, right? Now here you see if it goes from 3 to 9, here you see goes from 3 to 9, that means here this is 3 to 9, that is this part. The hour clock starts from 3 and goes to 9. That how much revolution? First of all, we'll find the how much it goes, right? That is, how many hours you count first? That is 3 to 4, that is 1, 3 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, right? It completed 6 hours. Therefore, 1 hour equal to 30 degree. Therefore, you can say that 6 hours, 6 hours is equal to 30 degree into 6. If this is 18, 180 degree. It goes 180 degree. So, what is the fraction? Fraction is number A, number A, number A. What is the fraction? Total, if the our hand goes 180 degree, 180 degree, right? And one complete revolution is 360 degree, 360 degree, right? That means if we cut it, you got 1 by 2 revolution, 1 by 2 revolution, right? That means 1 by 2 revolution it goes. That is question number A. Now question number B. Question number 4 to 7. Here you see, if you go from 4 to 7, how many hours you have to take? 4 to 7. Now we'll take 4 to 7. 4 to 7. Then how it goes? 4 to 7. This is the center of the clock, and the 4 to 7, here it is 4 first, this is 4, it goes from 4 to 7 means it is 4 and goes to 7. How many hours you count? 4, that is 5, 6, 7, 3 hours, 3 hours. Therefore 1 hour means 30 degree. Therefore you can say that 3 hours, therefore 3 hour means 3 hours, 3 hours means 3 into 30 degree, 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree goes, what is the fraction? Let us find the fraction. That is question number B. Question number B. Here you see, question number B is how much? You say 3 hours mean 90 degree, 90 degree by 360 degree, right? That means cut it, 4 9 36, that 1 by 4th revolution, 1 by 4 revolution, right? This is question number B, 1 by 4th revolution, right? Now question number C, 7 to 10. Next I found what is the value of 7 to 10, right? Let us rub this one. 7 to 10. A, B have got it, right? You will rub this one. Now question number C, we'll treat question number C. Question number C is, what is that? Question number 7 to 10. Here, this is the center. This is the center of the clock. This is the center of the clock. That is 7 to 10. 7 to 10. This is 7 and this is 10. 7 to 10. How many hours you have to count? 7, that is 8, 1, 2, 3. 3 hours. That means 1 hour equal to 30 degree. Therefore, 3 hours. 3 hours is equal to 3 into 30 degree. That is 90 degree. Right? Therefore, question number C will be, question C is equal to 90 degree and total is 360 degree. 360 degree. Right? Therefore, if we cut 4 9 36, 1 by 4th revolution. See, it is 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th revolution. Revolution. This is question number C. Next question number D, 12 to 9. Question number D is 12 to 9. Let us take 12 to 9. Right? You will rub it again. Now 12 to 9. 12 to 9. You find here that this is the center of the clock. 12 to 9. This is 12. 12 to 9. This is 9. This is 12 to 9. And it is clockwise revolution. Clockwise revolution like this. Right? How many hours you count first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hours. Therefore, you can say 9 hours is equal to, therefore, we can say that 9 hours, that 9 hours is equal to 9 into 30. 9 into 30 degree. 30, that is 327, 270 degree. 270 degree. Right? Therefore, question number D will be, we will find the fraction. Question number D. What is the total? That is 9 hours means 270 degree. And one complete revolution is 360 degree. 360 degree. Therefore, it is 0 0 will be cut. Right? 3 9 is 27 and 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9 and 3 4 is 12. That means 3 4th revolution. 3 by 4th revolution. Right? 3 by 4th revolution. 3 by 4th revolution. Right? Now question number E is 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Next question we will do this one. That is question number E, 1 to 10. Right? We'll rub this one. 1 to 10. Now we'll rub question C and D also. Now we'll do question number E and F. Now we'll discuss question number E and F. Question number E and F. Let us take this one. This is the center of the clock. Center of the clock is this one. And 1 to 10. Here, this is 1 and this is 10. Right? This is 1, this is 10. And what is the hour? Want to count? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hours. Therefore, 9 hours means, therefore, 9 hours is equal to 9 into 30 degree. 9 into 30 degree. That is 327, 270 degree. Therefore, the fraction is E here. We'll find the fraction. That is how much? 270 degree. And what is the complete revolution? That is 360 degree. 360 degree. That means we are getting 9, 3 is 27, 9, 4 is 36, and 0, 0 will cut. That is 3 by 4th revolution. 3 by 4th revolution. 4th revolution. Right? The 4th revolution. Now we will express question number F. Question number 6 to 3. Right? 6 to 3. Let us rub this one also. 6 to 3. Now we will do 6 to 3. Right? That is 6 to 3. We will 6 to 3. That is this is the center of the clock. 6 to this is 6 to 3. This is 6. 6 to 3. This is 6. This is 6. This is 6 to 3. This is the center of the clock. Here you find 6 to 3 is, here this is 6. This is 6 and 6 to 3. This is 3. Right? And this is clockwise revolution like this. And how many hours you count from 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hours. And 9 hours we know that it is 270 degree. Right? Therefore F is fraction F. Fraction F will be, that is F. Question number F. That is 270 degree. 270 degree. And one complete revolution is 360 degree. 360 degree. If we cut 0, 0, and by 9, 3 9 is 27, and 4 9 is 36. That is 3/4 of a revolution. 3/4 of a revolution. 3/4 of a revolution. Of a revolution. Of a 3/4 of a revolution. Right? Right? This is the solution of question number 1. Again we are repeating that one complete revolution is 360 degree. Here you see in a clock that are 12 hours. There were 12 hours equal to 360 degree. 1 hour is equal to 360 by 12, that is 30 degree. Right? After that, suppose 9 hours, 9 into 30 to 70 degree. If it is 3 hours, 3 into 30, that is 90 degree. Like this, we can find out the revolution or find out the fraction of a clockwise revolution. This is the solution of question number 1.